And let's do it again. Alan, who do we have on the short list for this category?
5 nominees coming up. Artixio LifeSciences, Asthenia, Estev Quimica, ProPharma Group, and Seek Eidolon Learning.
Mayer, would you do the honors, please?
I'm delighted to announce the winner, and the winner is ProPharma Group. Congratulations.
Now, let's hear briefly from our winners.
Thank you. So this recognition goes to all the talented pharma employees. That's for the introduction in Europe of new advanced medicinal products and provide access to patients for new products to improve their lives.
Of course, thanks to CPHI, all the other finalists, and everyone here. Thank you.
Thank you.